So very great morning to all of you. Now let us start our day 3 of the Students Development Program on Exploring New Horizons, a Pathway to Success, organized by Departments of Electronics in association with Department of Electronics Vidyalankar Institute of Technology in association with Vihangam Techno Holistic Organization. So I am taking first module in this value added course on holistic development, and our model title is holistic development on through goal setting, coaching and action planning. So very warm welcome to all of you in my session. So this is the module 1 on holistic development. On again I am telling because it's very important: goal setting, coaching, action planning and manifesting success. Half of the part we have covered in earlier 2 day sessions, and now we will focus on manifesting success and action planning for accelerating career and life success. So today's sessions are very important. So in module 1 day 3 I am going to take today coaching, manifesting and action planning. So there are 4 sessions in today's day. First session is on demonstrations of self and peer-to-peer coaching, because I told you in last session coaching process, and coaching is a very important skill of a leader. If you want to become a popular good leader, then you have to carry this coaching process again and again for your team members. So it's very important. You must know how to coach yourself, and you must know how to coach your team members. Okay, or we can just say peer to peer coaching for your stage. So we'll see, I will demonstrate myself how I can coach myself. Okay, and then there will be breakout rooms for you to execute peer to peer coaching, and we'll see who is the best leader and just who is a good coacher also. Okay, so be ready for that to get the appreciation certificate. Then session 2, I just changed my sequence because I thought before morning I should focus on important part. And manifesting success is the heart of whole this goal setting and success manifesting. So manifesting success, you don't miss this second session. And then after lunch, we will see personal action planning. Because if you will not act, if you don't know how to make personal action planning, there is a no meaning whatever we have done up till now. So third session is also important, but that way you can just see this personal action planning, and then execution will be there in last fourth session. So again breakout room will be there and you will execute what I am telling in the personal action planning to make your personal plan, and we will just declare the best personal action plan, best leader again. Okay, so be ready. So day 3, I want to recap of day 1 and day 2 because it's my style of teaching. Because if we don't revise, if we don't repeat, we cannot learn. So we have to learn, we have to unlearn also. Because sometimes whatever we learn that may not be perfect, and as the time advances, we have to relearn also. Now see, we have entered in the golden era. I already told you, Earth is now in the strong field. And when Earth has entered in the strong field, I told you since 2019, everything is changing. Reskilling is required. Employment reskilling is required by 50%, because now Earth has entered, and that will be for 10,000 years. Earth has entered in a strong field, and therefore COVID and all these situations are coming because we are not able to manage our frequency with surrounding or where Earth has entered. If we cannot match our frequency, we'll be thrown out. My dear participant, try to remember. So whatever we used to do earlier, we have to change our way and actions of doing. Because earlier we used to use Newtonian force and Newtonian field and laws and this. But now we have to learn quantum field and how to act, how to execute actions in the quantum field. So today I am going to tell you all this science. So we have to unlearn also. So when we learn, then we have to relearn. So this process is very important. Recapping for revising, repeating, then reflecting, then redefine, and also reflections and reinforcement. So this is our important action that we have to recap our day 1 and day 2. Then I will just go on day 3. So in content day 1, we have just consider what are the learning objectives, top skills and qualities for employment. Don't forget these top skills important required, because every time it will be there in action planning, in coaching, in manifesting also. So what is goal setting and manifestation? We have seen in brief why we have to do, what are the benefits of goal setting, what are the different types of goals and areas of life. So we have discussed this in day 1, and I already told my all sessions are designed including hand, heart and the head, because cognitive, psychomotor, affirmative domain we have to work. Then only our learning is there. Learning is not just by hearing and knowing. Today's only one sentence I will tell you. Knowing is not important in this now strong field. Earlier it used to be no, means it used to be important how, what we know. But now instead of knowing, imagination has become powerful in this quantum field. Okay, so imaginations, don't know. If you don't know how, what is leadership, forget. If you don't know what skills are important, forget. Knowing is not important in today's area. We have to imagine. Imagination is important. So if I am telling you manifestation, you may not know that a manifestation process, but you should imagine. So same way, whatever goal you want to pursue, you don't know what is that goal and how to pursue that goal. Just imagine your goal, imagine on the outcome. So that is what I want to tell you. So we just introduced, and we have just gone through the 2 days with various activities and quiz and competitions, fast and good response, good home assignments you did. So I congratulate all of you for doing in exercises, assignments very interestingly. So that was a very active experience for day 1 and day 2. Okay, so now objectives of SDP we discussed, learning objectives we discussed, because if we don't set our objectives and outcome, we cannot get it. And also just now I told 50% reskilling is required. Then we also has seen national education policy, what it says, national education policy, and where education should focus. And your college has started focusing that with all these SDPs and this. So all these skills are important. Leadership skill is important. Creativity is important. So all exercises, assignments we have just done with design thinking approach. Then communication skill we discuss. Teamwork skill is discussed. So therefore breakout room also you have experienced what is benefit of the breakout room, working in the team, reflecting in the team. That also you listen. Problem solving skills also is important. That all the skills, qualities of leadership and goal setting also we discussed. And then personal qualities we also focus, because if you want to set goals and action plan, personal qualities also you have to improve. Manifestation I told in little brief. So today we are going to discuss then how to set goals, why to set goals. We have just discussed in goal setting. Then I told you, whenever you want to set goals, divide into short term, long term, life term. And for all these areas of this of life, you have to set goals. So we discussed what are the goal areas. Then you created beautiful mind maps for the goal areas, because goal setting is not simple process that you will make a 10 sentence. You have to first see your areas of the life where you want to focus as a student. Now after 5 years this area will change, priority will change. We also discuss how to prioritize the areas, and how to create mind map. Many students use softwares also for creating mind maps. Then we also have seen 12 program outcomes. What is the importance of 12 program outcomes? That is nothing but the industrial demand from you. And for a teacher, I just focus told in brief what activities are important and how CV can be strengthened. So then also we have just watched different videos also on goal setting, just to take break and just see these beautiful assignments done by you. I have shown to many students, my students also, and they are encouraging with all your work. So that is what I just wanted to recap. What happened? So mind maps also important tool, because we have seen how to train our brain with mind maps. Creating picture is very important step. so that your brain will have some imprints in your brain, and brain neuroplasticity phenomenon I use for creating these assignments. Today I will discuss it in detail, what is neuroplasticity and why it is important to change brain. Again thinking is important, rethinking is important. Okay, so let us start now our day 3 and session 7. Okay, so that is our today's agenda. So I am just focusing on this. While goal setting, we consider multidimensional development of you as a students. And I told you leadership skill is important, social contribution is important, EQ, BQ, SQ are important, design development is important. So this picture you don't forget, and competitive exams also I just discussed. Now, what is goal setting theory? So, goal setting theory is just tie your goals to work unit, then set specific goals. That also we have covered. Ask supervisors to get their goals. Supervisor means now you are not in the industry, but you can ask your friends, and that you have just in breakout room. Your goals also change when you communicated, discuss with your teammates. So then hold a performance meeting. Now see, performance meeting, it is very important. So now goal setting, action planning, manifesting, it is not just one time process. You have to meet again and again. And I am telling you, whoever will be in breakout rooms, take down their roll numbers, names, have contacts with them, and just again carry out the process. So meetings are very important. Ongoing feedback and coaching is very important. Particularly purposefully I have this means inserted this figure, because in industry all these steps are carried out. So whatever we have designed as a program, these steps are very important. Now ongoing feedback and coaching meetings also has to set many times by you, by teacher, or by any team leader. Okay, so today it is the second time of our coaching. Last time we have seen, but today we will execute it actually. Then ensure focus on relevant areas and align reward system. So whatever appreciation certificates I have given, that is also one important step. Okay, so that is the things. Now Confucius has said that I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, but when I do, I understand. So what is important in the learning process? Not hearing, I can just finish in all the slides, that's all. But you must see something, you must remember something, and when you will do, you will understand. So it is very important that you will do something. So today you will just do coaching. Okay, because it is important that we learn by doing only. I told you the importance of hand. Brains are wired through the hands when interactions with the physical world. So as hand you are involving in learning process, that hand neurons are connected to the brain, and you are giving signals to the brain. You are doing some changes in your brain by doing writing and doing something, and that is important. Changes in the brain is important, then brain starts working, and then brain will help you to manifest. Okay, learning is the not product of teaching, learning is the product of activity of learner. See students, activity of learner is very important, so therefore you be ready. Okay, so if you see how our body rebuilds itself in less than 365 days, because again and again I am saying neuroplasticity I am using in my sessions, so that I am trying to change your brain. Okay, I am trying to change your brain neurons, cells, connections. So just imagine what are the changes happening in our body. You will not believe. So DNA just renews itself every 2 months. So it is very important, whatever way we do, whatever actions we do, we will carry at least for 21 days, 42 days, and then that changes becomes for longer time. Okay, then skin just rebuilds itself in 1 month. Liver rebuilds itself in 6 weeks. See, you will not imagine liver rebuilds in 6 weeks. Stomach is just in 5 days. What I want to say here, imagine the changes happening in our DNA also. Okay, and by doing all these works, you will change your brain and you will get success in your goals. So we are just making our goals to flow in our life. We are not setting goals. We are just making goals to flow in our life through all these important steps of today's session. So today's sessions are very important.